Collier County 911. What is the address of your emergency?
Hello, there's somebody banging at my door really hard trying to get inside my house.
Okay, what's the address, ma'am? What is it one more time? Okay, is there a unit number, ma'am?
Huh?
Is there a unit number?
Yes, the house is...
Yes, but is there a unit number besides the house number?
No, it's just a house number.
Okay, what is your name, ma'am? And what is the phone number you're calling from?
My...
All right, right now, ma'am, just take a breath. Okay, all right, did you see the person at all?
Yes, he's still at the door.
Is he white, black, or Hispanic?
Mexicano. He's Mexican. Because I don't want to open the door. He's banging on the door.
Approximately how old is he?
I don't know because I'm not getting near the door. My husband's the one that...
Did you see what color shirt he had on?
No, like I said, we did hear him. We don't really want to open the door.
Okay, I'm not asking you to open the door. I'm just asking if you saw him at all.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm calling from the room.
It's okay. So right now, just take a breath. I've already sent the call out. This isn't delaying them in any way. I'm just trying to let them know who they're going to be looking out for, okay?
Okay.
Has this ever happened before?
No, never.
No? Okay. Did you say anything?
No, nothing. We were all sleeping, and I actually was laying down in the living room when I heard that, and he's trying, like, knocking, and he's trying to get inside.
Okay. You didn't say a word at all?
No, nothing. We like I said, everybody was sleeping except I was in the living room.
Gotcha. Who else is there with you besides you and your husband?
My husband, my dad, and my sister.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Is he still at the front door?
Yes, and he keeps yelling for us to open the door and open.
Okay, so he is yelling now?
And he has a shovel and he's trying to now get open. I don't know if he's going to try to break the window or something.
Okay, just stay on the left. They're already on their way.
Okay.
Let me know if he hits the door or anything with the shovel, okay?
Okay. Tell him to get over here. Tell him to be careful, please.
Okay. Are you or anybody that's there armed?
No, nobody.
Okay. Has anyone at this location has anyone at this location been, I apologize, I'm forgetting the wording, been diagnosed with COVID-19 or have any flu-like symptoms?
No, nothing like that.
Okay. And like I said before, this isn't delaying them in any way.
Okay.
Just right now, I just want you to stay in the line with me and let me know, keep me up to date with what's going on, what you're hearing or seeing, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Out there yelling.
Gotcha. What is he yelling?
He's just telling us to open the door and to open the door, and he keeps yanking at the doorknob and knocking and putting on the doorknob. We turned off all the lights.
Okay. Okay, what color and make of the vehicles should be in the driveway?
We have a green Scion, a white Nissan, a GMC, and a Honda, a blue Honda.
Okay, a white Nissan, you said?
Yes, a white Nissan, a green Scion, a black GMC, and like a navy blue Honda.
Blue Honda. Okay, only those vehicles should be in the driveway?
Yes, there's 4.
Okay.
We have 4 vehicles or so.
Okay. My deputies are going license sirens to you, so just keep me up to date and let me know what you're seeing and hearing.
Okay. I'm trying to see if I can find someone that I can't really...
Just don't put yourself in danger whatever you do, okay?
Okay.
I don't want you going outside just to try to look for him.
No, I'm not. He's still knocking and trying to get inside.
Okay. Let me know if he leaves, okay? If he does leave, and if you do see which way he goes, let me know, okay?
Okay, good. Ya vienen, ya lo mandaron. ¿Qué es mexicano? Is he drunk? He's still banging out the door and trying to get in.
Gotcha.
¿No vienen? He's still at the door. He still keeps knocking and trying.
Okay.
Es que está conmigo ya en la línea esperando que llegue el policía.
Was anybody able to see his approximate age or clothing description?
No, not really.
Okay.
We think it's somebody that lives near here, but we can't really make out.
Okay. Gotcha. You don't want to, yeah.